Hello and welcome to the next step. Today we'll be learning how to fix a broken flapper valve in a toilet. An old or broken flapper valve lets water slowly leak through, which can lead to an increased water bill. It's a very simple fix. All you're going to need is a replacement flapper valve and maybe a bucket. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is turn off the water supply to the toilet. This is very easy. All you have to do is locate this little valve behind your toilet. I've set a bucket underneath as it's possible some water might leak out. Next, turn this knob towards the toilet as far as you can. Next, just flush. Now, let's remove the lid of the toilet so that we have access to the flapper. This red item here is the flapper. It's attached with a chain to the flush handle and two little red hooks on this pipe here. It's extremely easy to remove. All you have to do is gently remove this clip like so. Then remove the hooks from either side. You can pull it up and out. Before you install your new flapper, it's a good idea to clean the area around it. Taking a rag, gently wipe down this area here, this little black ring. This removes any buildup. Pretty gross. To install your new flapper, you simply follow the steps you took to remove it. Hook the ends like so, then clip into place. All you need to do now is turn on the water supply, let the tank fill, and flush a couple times to test out the flapper. If your flapper is damaged, this is a super simple fix that can instantly take money off that water bill. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this helpful.